What's up everybody, and welcome back to Two Dope Kitchen. Today we're gonna be doing yet another air fryer recipe. We're gonna be doing Philly cheesesteak spring rolls. So let's just get to it. Let's start off by seasoning some thinly sliced ribeye with some salt and black pepper, as well as some garlic powder, also some onion powder. Be sure to mix this up really nicely. I like to use my hands at this stage, it just helps breaks up things a bit. Let's move over to our cast iron pan where we're gonna get some vegetable oil nice and hot. I want to go ahead and add our ribeye in there, but I like to lay it down as flat as I can. Alright, I already showed you guys this method for breaking up the cheesesteak meat, but this is pretty much the go-to method for breaking up cheesesteak meat, whether that's beef or chicken or any other cheesesteak meats. Alright, let's go ahead and add our diced onions in there. I like to add that in pretty much halfway while it's done. We're gonna also add in some sweet peppers. You can also add in some hot peppers at this stage if you wanted to, but I'm just using sweets. All right, again, we're using this method to break up everything. As you can see, my sweet peppers are getting nice and broken up using this way. Look at that. All right, let's move over to our spring rolls. We're gonna go ahead and brush the edges with some egg yolks. I'm only using a half a slice of provolone just because I don't really want a full slice, but go ahead and use a full slice if you want. And lay out as much meat as you want or as little. I like mine a little bit going towards the egg roll size, but you know, if you want it a little bit skinnier, add less meat. But however you want to do it is fine. You just want to make sure that your meat doesn't come out, so you want to make sure you really tuck and roll really tightly. And as you can see, that egg yolk helps seal it to itself. Boom. All right, now whatever kind of air fryer you got, you just want to go ahead and grease it up a bit. I'm doing this on my rack. Just line them up, whatever kind of air fryer you got. I like to also spray the tops, just to help it crisp up a bit. All right, I'm gonna adjust my settings to 425, turn it to convection, get it going. We're only going to bake these for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and rotate. We're pretty much going to be rotating every 10 to 15 minutes, or at least until they get golden brown. And afterwards, this is what you're going to get. This is beautiful. I really love these in the air fryer. It's a little bit healthier than doing it like deep frying. But there we go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's one of my favorite bar foods, but enjoy.